Okay, Keith, this video is mainly for you while we've got these uh, three pistons out. We've got the other three in the box ready to go out to the machine shop. 642s with high oil consumption. These are the three pistons that we've pulled out of this engine that all have stuck oil control rings, this lower ring down here. There is absolutely no gap between all three of these. These rings are stuck. The little bit of carbon buildup, this is what the other two pistons we've wiped clean in the meantime. This is how it comes out from the bore, just full of junk all the way around the oil control ring. They're supposed to have elasticity to them. These are your two top compression rings. When you compress them, you see the movement there. It's supposed to be the same thing here. There is absolutely no elasticity to the oil control rings. Okay, so this particular motor, there we go. I just freed one up by pushing it inwards. So that's what they're supposed to look like. Okay, with movement, that's what's supposed to happen. This one is stuck. Let's see if I can, no. There's another one. Okay, now that's free. This is the issue. There is no way for these to come free while inside the block. The other thing I want to point out, look at this, the amount of carbon built up around the crown of the piston here. All that gets pounded into the ring lands, which you can see, this isn't a great one. All that carbon inside of there is not doing you any favors for oil consumption.